Hey everyone, the Anbernic RG477M represents the company's next major step in the Android-based retro handheld gaming market, and it's shaping up to be a hybrid that fuses the best aspects of the RG557 and RG Slide. While Anbernic initially teased the device without revealing much, new leaks and detailed reports, especially from YouTube creator Nitterx, have painted a fairly complete picture of what to expect from this upcoming handheld. At the heart of the RG477M is its 4.7-inch LTPS IPS display, featuring a 4:3 aspect ratio and a 1280 by 960 resolution. This resolution and form factor make the RG477M particularly appealing for retro gaming enthusiasts, especially those interested in emulating consoles like the Nintendo 64, PlayStation 1, and older arcade systems. The 4:3 aspect ratio fits these classic titles much more naturally than the widescreen layouts used in many modern handhelds. Thanks to the resolution, the RG477M can achieve clean integer scaling, 4x for N64, and other retro systems, providing crisp visuals with minimal distortion. For more demanding platforms like the Dreamcast, GameCube, Wii, and PlayStation 2, the device will reportedly run games at a 2x scale, which still offers a playable and visually pleasing experience on a portable screen of this size. The performance backbone of the RG477M is expected to be the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 processor, the same SoC featured in the RG557. This is a significant leap in power compared to the Unisoc chips used in earlier Anbernic Android handhelds. The Dimensity 83000 opens the door to more consistent and smoother emulation of 6th-generation consoles like the PS2 and GameCube, which have historically been difficult to emulate on compact devices. With this chipset, the RG477M should also offer fast UI responsiveness, better thermal management, and improved battery efficiency under Android. In terms of design, the RG477M appears to take cues from the RG Slide, though it omits the slide-out controls in favor of a more traditional form factor. However, the M in its name suggests that it may feature a full metal shell, a trait common to Anbernic's premium-tier models. If this is the case, users can expect a solid, high-quality build that feels substantial and durable in hand, making it ideal for longer gaming sessions or travel. Although pricing and exact launch details have not yet been confirmed, the RG477M is expected to be released globally before the end of the month. It's likely to be priced below the RG Slide, which currently retails for $249, making it a more affordable alternative for those who want high-end performance without the need for gimmicky hardware, like a sliding display. Overall, the RG477M seems to be a promising addition to Anbernic's lineup, aimed squarely at retro gaming fans who care about screen quality, ergonomics, and emulation performance. If the leaks are accurate, this device could easily become one of Anbernic's most balanced and appealing handhelds to date, especially for gamers who want solid PlayStation 2 and GameCube performance in a compact form factor. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.